Stay tuned to learn how to make this delicious curry goat. Welcome back to another cooking video with Mixed Chop. Today we'll be learning how to make Jamaican curry goat. We have our ingredients here. We have our goat meat, our potatoes, two habanero pepper, but you can use Scotch bonnets. We have 3 Maggie cubes, our garlic, pimento seeds, our bell pepper, oil, onion, our Jamaican curry, our thyme, green onions or scallions, and lastly, we have our black pepper. Next, we're gonna make our green seasoning for our goat meat. We're gonna go ahead and chop our onion, half of our onion, and we're gonna put it in the blender. We're also going to add our garlic cloves. We're gonna add our pepper, one of our pepper, and we're gonna cut up our green bell pepper to smaller pieces and put it in our blender. And we're also going to chop up our scallions. All my vegetables are washed. I went ahead and washed it off camera. And we're just gonna add our thymes. Here is our green seasoning blend. I went ahead and added some water to it to give it that texture. And I also added 1 Maggie cube into our blend. So next I'm going to cut up our onions and our bell pepper. Chopping up our vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and season our goat meat. We're gonna add our black pepper. We're gonna add our Maggie cube, 1 Maggie cube. We're gonna go ahead and add the Jamaican curry. We're gonna add our pimento seeds. I went ahead and blended this like halfway through. We're gonna add our thyme. And lastly, we're gonna add our green seasoning that we blended. And we're gonna mix all of this in. We're gonna let this marinate for at least an hour, and then we're gonna cook our goat. After that 1 hour of your goat marinating, we're gonna add our oil to our pot. After we give it a couple seconds, we're gonna add our goat meat. We're gonna let this fry in here for a couple minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and we're gonna check on it. After that 7 to 10 minutes, we're gonna put some water in our marinade bowl to get all that seasoning, and we're gonna put this in our pot. You wanna get all of this around here. And we're gonna add this water to our goat. And we're gonna mix this. Look how beautiful this looks so far. And we're gonna let our goat cook, and we're just gonna keep checking on it every 15 to 20 minutes to see how it's going. Add half a Maggie to it. You just want to mash that in, and you want to mix it really nicely. You also want to add your other pepper. We're going to add our bell pepper as well, and our chopped up onions. Lastly, you want to add your potatoes to cook with this. And you're just going to mix all of that in. After our goat has been cooking for the last 30 minutes, you want to go ahead and test your potatoes and see if it's soft. My potatoes are soft, and you want to go ahead and test your goat as well to see if it's soft enough for your liking. Mine is. I feel it. And that is it. Your goat, your curry goat should be ready. Here's the final look of our Jamaican curry goat. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And if you try this recipe at home, please let us know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, and also follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you next time.